Hello there, beautiful one. This is Faith Hunter. Welcome to the Somatic Guided Meditation, letting go with healing breathwork and water. Today, I'm going to invite you to embark on a journey of cleansing and releasing through the powerful elements of breath and the imagery of water. This guided meditation is designed to support you in letting go of any held trauma and aid you in refreshing your spirit. I'm going to invite you to begin by finding a comfortable seated position, but also know that you can recline on your back. Make sure you are in a quiet, safe, and peaceful space. Allow your body to drop into a state of relaxation. Make any adjustments that you need to. But the key here is to feel supported by the earth beneath you. As you get comfortable, gently close your eyes. Or if it's more comfortable, just simply cast them down lightly. Bring your attention to the natural rhythm of your breath. Feel the air as it enters and moves into your nostrils, fills up your lungs, and see how it flows out slowly. Do that a few more times. Breathing in, exhaling, letting it empty out, and allow your body to sink a little bit deeper into a state of relaxation. Know that as you exhale, you're slowly releasing tension and starting to regulate your nervous system. Now let's begin to engage in our breath work for release. We're going to use a breathing technique that mirrors the ebb and flow of water, helping you to wash away what no longer serves you. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to inhale deeply through the nose for 4 counts, allowing the belly and your chest to expand fully with fresh, clean air. Then you're going to hold right at the top for 4 counts. And as you hold, visualizing this breath as a wave ready to cleanse your being. And then you'll exhale smoothly and slow for a count of 6, imagining the wave gently washing over you, carrying away any stress or old energies. Let's do this together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Now hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Now allow your breath to return to a natural breathing pattern. Feeling that sense of cleansing, that element of water washing over you, purifying and releasing what is no longer serving your highest good. With your body calm and your breath flowing smoothly, I want you to visualize yourself sitting by a serene, vast ocean. The water is clear, a vibrant blue, and it sparkles under the sunlight. Feel the soft sand under your skin. It's warm. It's comforting. And you hear the gentle sound of waves sinking with your breath. And it soothes your mind. Now imagine yourself standing up, walking towards the water. With each step you take, you feel lighter and a little more at ease. As you reach the water's edge, allow the waves to caress your feet. Feel the cool water, refreshing and also a little invigorating. Now I'm going to encourage you to wade further into those crystal clear waters. With each step, visualize the water rising and gently enveloping you. It moves around your ankles, your calf muscles, and maybe even your thighs and waist. Drops of water touch your hands and you feel that element of cleansing. It's a purifying quality, dissolving your burdens, your fears, and old traumas you are carrying. As you wade in the water, I want you to see dark particles being washed away gently. As the waves come in, they move across your body. Particles float out into the ocean, leaving your body, your mind, and your soul free and cleansed. Continue standing in the water, feeling it embrace you, wrapping and cradling and holding and caressing your heart. As each wave returns to sea, it takes with it any residue of pain and stress. And I want you to feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, and more aligned with your true essence. Now, as you slowly walk back onto the shore, carry with you the sense of renewal and clarity. Feel the warmth of the sun as it dries and comforts your cleansed body and mind. Now take a deep breath in. Exhale, empty out. Whenever you're ready, start to bring yourself fully and completely back into this present moment. Move your body wherever it feels right for you. And begin to gently open your eyes, feeling renewed and at peace. And as you transition into your day, I want you to pause and take a moment to journal. Journal any thoughts or emotions that surfaced during your meditation. Write down what you let go of. How does your body and mind feel now? And capture any moments of how you feel. Not just on the surface, but deep in your soul. Thank you so much for joining me on this healing, watery journey. And remember, you are always supported by the love and the strength of the universe. Stay spiritually fly. Ciao.